Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 15 unbelievable facts about work online earn money. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about 15 unbelievable facts about work online earn money, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. Link is in the description box below this video. The truth about work online earn money. Most people are interested in knowing 15 incredible facts about work online. They want to know if they are making money online. And they want to know how to make more money online. Well, I'm here to tell you that you need to be very careful when telling other people the honest opinion of your opinions. I hope that you'll continue to read this article and get a bit more insight into what you should do when you want to learn the truth about online jobs. When you make these kinds of statements, you are really just opening the door for a bunch of more things you don't want to hear. You can forget the truth about work online and make yourself an easy target for others to slander. Once you have gotten past that, it's time to think about the actual facts about work online. The first fact you need to understand is that it will take time for you to be able to make a real income online. You have to be patient, because if you try to go with just a few new things and give it all you've got, you will not see the results you are hoping for. You have to have a balanced approach and learn to know how to adapt to your own personality. A lot of people who tell others the unbelievable facts about work online earn money online make one or two mistakes that you should avoid. They tell people that things are too hard, or they would do it if they had the time, or they believe they will be successful when really it is not true. This is why you see people complaining about things that are actually not that bad. They were trying to sound confident so they could get the results they wanted. But online work doesn't have to be hard. There are many ways to make money online that are completely free. All you have to do is a little research. Don't believe everything you read on the internet, because if you did, you would not be reading this article right now. You need to choose what type of online job you are going to do, and then you need to put in your own time and effort to reach your goals. If you feel like you are doing something that is not right, then you need to do something else. Not only do I think that you should stay away from forums, but you should also avoid random websites that offer free information. Many of these sites are nothing more than a way for someone to earn money off of you, and they use the same tactics as any business. And, if you see someone promoting one of these sites, make sure you immediately report them to their site administrator. Once you learn to trust your instincts and figure out for yourself what is a legitimate online work-at-home opportunity, you can be in control of what you want to accomplish. You can set goals and get things done that you wouldn't normally be able to do. There are plenty of great opportunities out there to help you find out what they are. If you're still confused, you need to know the whole story. You can easily find out what these other websites are and all they have to offer. You don't have to rely on other people's opinions, and you don't have to worry about what others are saying about a certain opportunity. Because the entire concept of everything is your decision. Make sure you know what it is you really want to do. And once you make that decision and commit to it, there is no turning back. equals 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 equals. How to make money online for beginners. These days there are literally hundreds of websites out there that offer beginners guides to make money online. You can find lots of these at no cost. Some sites offer a lot of Information for a small fee, and others offer free information but then charge you for the advanced techniques. Before you begin learning how to make money online for beginners, I think it is important to realize that not every question you ask will be answered. One reason for this is because of the large number of individuals that want to learn how to make money online for beginners but do not know where to start. One of the reasons that many people do not know how to make money online for beginners is because they are not willing to go through the pain of trial and error. You may be willing to do this, but it would be worth your while to learn how to make money online for beginners first. You may want to take advantage of the wealth of knowledge out there because you want to learn new things. But the truth is that it will take some time before you really find out how to make money online for beginners. There are some tips I will share with you today which will help you avoid a lot of trial and error. When you learn how to make money online for beginners, you will want to be sure to subscribe to as many newsletters, e-zines, and websites as you can. You should subscribe to newsletters that focus on ways to make money online for beginners. An example of this would be the same site I mentioned above. Once you learn how to make money online for beginners, you should start learning about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a big part of internet marketing and also needs to be taught in detail. This is why it is so important to subscribe to newsletters and magazines about online marketing. The best way to learn how to make money online for beginners is to get your hands on the resources that teach this skill. You should consider subscribing to one of the many lines that have made a name for themselves in the world of online marketing. Make sure to subscribe to these because they will have a wealth of information for you to get your feet wet in the world of online marketing. There are a few ways to learn how to make money online for beginners, and these tips I am going to share with you will help you do just that. You should consider getting involved in affiliate marketing because you will need to learn how to market and promote products online. If you really want to learn how to make money online for beginners, then you need to understand the basics of affiliate marketing. This will include sales, marketing, and promotion in order to make money online. While you may learn some of the basic skills through research, you will want to find some advanced techniques through your experience. You will also want to have some knowledge about internet marketing and about making money online in general before you try to get started on how to make money online for beginners. These can be learned as you go along. You will learn all about blogging and how to start your own website if you want to learn how to make money online for beginners. You will also want to understand how to use pay-per-click advertising to drive traffic to your website, and then how to sell products online. As you can see, there are many ways to make money online for beginners. You need to remember that not everyone will succeed, but then again not everyone will fail either. equals 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 equals. Reddit gives everyone amazing weird ways to make money online. There are many crazy and funny weird ways for females to make money online. Unfortunately, as the traditional financial world is becoming more dated, many have chosen to leave the workforce and go freelance. But, if you have a talent, or if you have worked for someone else in the past, you can still find work and earn a great living. Like all other work-at-home opportunities, websites such as Reddit are also very popular. In fact, in this highly competitive business, they continue to flourish. Many young webmasters and internet marketers like the quick and easy access that Reddit gives. Although there are thousands of communities that one can participate in, a few remain extremely popular. Reddit is an open community, so those who have posted to make or want to go out and make some, are welcome to do so. A common question with new participants is whether or not they can make money with this site. The answer to that question varies greatly from person to person, but there are some distinct differences when it comes to different weird ways to make money online. But regardless of what these questions may be, the simple answer is yes. Even the newest Redditor can make a full-time income through the website. Well, not everyone can make a full-time income. This does not mean that those who are really dedicated to earning a full-time income will not be able to. There are many ways to make money on the internet, but many are not able to make a full-time income. But, the people who have an abundance of energy and passion, who enjoy making their own hours, and who enjoy doing something different, like building their own business, can certainly make a little bit of extra income. Because even the most successful internet marketer, niche marketer, and SEO expert can make a bit of extra money. Back in the old days, with not so many people taking advantage of the internet, it was not as lucrative as it is today. But now, we all know that the true advantage of working online is the ease of access that we all have. For example, the founders of Google were both college dropouts. Today, almost everyone has at least a basic computer and is in school. So, even the really technologically challenged are able to make money on the internet. And, you don't have to be a super geek either. Even the least technical person can do something with his or her computer. But, you just need to be resourceful and have a lot of imagination. Now, there are many ways to create simple web pages that can be syndicated and used for advertising. However, by far the best way is to build your own website or blog or join one of the many forums that exist on the internet. There are many different forums that are just waiting for you. The reason why I mention these forums is that you can join the discussions without even leaving your computer. This is because most of the big companies and businesses have their own websites now. That is why we love Reddit. We love it because it allows you to add your comment, post a message, or a short story, or give your opinion on a subject. All of these things are unique and can turn into money for you in the future. Thanks for watching my video about 15 unbelievable facts about work online earn money. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.